This one's for y'all. Till we meet again. So that's about life. You know life worth more than you know. Life is precious. Spend it with your family while you can. Yeah, till we meet again. This one's for my generation. All the boys and girls back in the nation. You know the demon be snaking. We don't need people be faking. Your faith don't let them take in. Boys and girls, this is the awakening. The awakening, the awakening. Gotta keep on fighting. Gotta keep on fighting. I grew up, I didn't have enough. I grew up, I didn't have that much. Life was hard, life was tough. I knew I gotta make it out to get what I want. To get what I want, yeah. My mama told me, son, don't give up. To get what you want, you gotta work 2 times hard and pray to God. Now I made it out, I'ma shoot for the top. We're like the shooting star. Close your eyes and make a wish. One day you're gonna grow up, you'll be able to chase your dream. Don't be doing it, don't take your life. There's a lot of fish in the sea. That Romeo and Juliet story is long gone. Now it's a man for himself, you gotta stay strong. Do it for your family, do it for love. Do it for your family, do it for love. Whatever the devil tryna work with you, drop it, let it go, talk to the king, it's the truth. Whatever is on your mind, let it go. It's okay to cry, a man gotta do what he gotta do. I'ma tell you, don't do it. My homie, don't do it. My homie, don't do it. There's a blessing waiting for you on the long run. My homie, don't do it. My homie, don't do it. Everybody will be missing you. People dying, enemy trying, enemy trying. Keep on fighting, keep on fighting. People dying, enemy trying. Keep on fighting, yeah. Keep on fighting. Gotta keep on fighting. The enemy will keep on trying. 'Cause people are dying.